Welcome back to a Beautiful Jungle. My name is Sharon. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for clicking on the video. Today we are going to be straining out the apple cider vinegar. I have 2 jars of this, and we're going to put it into the other jar, another clean, sterile jar that was washed, soap water, and washed and everything. And the reason for doing this is that I want to form a mature mother in this one, and this will be, we'll wait for another month. Also today I'm going to show you guys the prize, the first prize and second prize that we have going on for the raffle that I spoke about in my other video. I also purchased 2 different pH strips, so we're going to check the pH on the apple cider vinegar. So this is what it looks like. At this point, there's no bubbles, there's no reaction. This was done on, this apple cider vinegar was started on January 20th, and today is March 4th. So there's really no activity going on. It's used up all the sugar that it needs to use up in there. So today is, oh, let me tell you one thing. This is a non-metallic strainer, and I purchased this from Amazon, and I will link it at the bottom. And it comes with 3 different sizes. Comes in this bag, but we're going to use this big one. So I'm going to strain it into my large measuring cup. This measuring cup holds 8 cups of liquid. The first jar I strained, I got 6 cups of liquid from it. The second jar gave me 5 cups of liquid. The second jar had more apple cores and apple peels inside of it, so that's why it gave me less liquid. So these apple scraps you can put inside of your compost, or you can give it to your chickens. I do not have chickens, so it's going to go in the compost. And this year I'm doing in-place composting. I did test my pH level, and my pH level was at 3.0. I have a picture I will show you guys of the test. I did 2 testing. I will also link those pH strips that I use, and I will also link the strainer that I used also. White vinegar is a 5% acidity level, pH level. Store-bought apple cider vinegar is between a 2 and a 3%. If I'm wrong, please let me know, but that's what my research says. So this is the second jar that I am straining out. I had to double strain it, so I have my funnel and the medium size non-metallic strainer. When I was straining it into the measuring cup, some of the apples spilled over into there, some of the apple peels spilled over. And I could have double strained the first one as well, but I didn't. So, so I'm double straining this. And I also want to let you guys know that this is shelf stable, okay? Just like your regular apple cider vinegar you buy from the store, or white vinegar you buy from the store, this is shelf stable. That's a tongue twister. So now that we have, I'm going to put these in my compost as well. Those are coffee filters, so I'm going to use that in the compost as well. So now that we have strained out our homemade apple cider vinegar, we're going to put our lids on. But we're going to put our lids on lightly, not tight. I mean, you can hear it rattling. It's not on tight. And we are going for our second ferment, where this is where it's going to be super strong. I mean, it is strong right now, but it's not the strong apple cider vinegar where you're going like, and you so we're going to let this ferment for another month, where we're going to get the mother to form. To speed up this process, you can add apple cider vinegar, the apple cider vinegar you bought in the store, or apple cider vinegar that you have already made, that homemade apple cider that went through the whole process. You can add 2 to 4 tablespoons in this, and help the process to go a little faster. But I am not going to do that. I'm going to place this for another month in the same cupboard that I had it in, and you leave it undisturbed. Don't touch it, leave it undisturbed. It smells good. It smells really good. I am going to try it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But it does not taste like the apple cider that you would buy in the store. It has a better flavor to me. So let's get into the prizes that I have for you guys, for my subscribers. This is a Burpee's 36 cell seed starting cell tray, and it's reusable. Slide this off. It comes with the it comes with the water reservoir, and this is the silicone where you can just pop your seedlings out. It's 36 cell. This is second prize. This is the first prize. This is the first prize winner. This is a fabric grow bags. It's a 7-pack of fabric grow bags, and look at the colors on this. So cheerful, so cheerful. So this has 2 yellows, which are 2 5-gallon, 2 blue, which is 7-gallon, and 2 purple, which is a 10-gallon, and a red, which is my favorite color, red. It's 15-gallon bag. So good luck. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So you can be in the drawing to win either one of these prizes. And thank you, and have a blessed day.